Everybody loves the convenience of remote start until it stops working. What's really behind this annoying glitch? Let's break it down. First, check the basics. Is your Pacifica locked? The remote start won't work unless all doors are locked, including the rear hatch. Next, look at the hood. If it's not fully closed, remote start is disabled for safety. Battery issues are another culprit. If your key fob battery is low, the signal might not reach your car. Swap it out and try again. Now, check your car's fuel level. If you're running low, remote start might be blocked to prevent running out of gas. Also, make sure the check engine light isn't on. The system won't activate if there's a warning. If it's cold out, double-check the climate control settings. Sometimes remote start is fussy if temperature systems aren't set right. Still stuck? Try resetting the system by manually starting the car once, shutting it off, then trying remote start again. If none of these steps work, it might be time to visit your local dealer. Sometimes a simple software update or sensor check fixes everything. So next time your Pacifica's remote start refuses to cooperate, run through this checklist. You'll save time, and maybe a trip to the dealership.